Alright everyone, now let's understand how to get the value from a dynamic route. For example, when we go to users/employees/1 or 2 or 3, we need to capture that value from the URL. This is done using params. Inside our dynamic folder, we can access params directly. So first, let's log params to the console to see what it returns. When we check the console, we see that it's a promise. That means we need to resolve it using await. So we make our component async and then use await params. Now when we log it again, we get the actual data. It returns an object, and inside it we have slug. Now we can extract this value using destructuring. So we write conslug equals await params. At this point, slug contains the value from the URL. Now we can use it inside our component. For example, we display it like this. Slug is the ID of the employee. If we go to 1, it shows 1. If we go to 2, it shows 2. Even if we enter something like 255, it still works and displays that value. So the logic is simple. The dynamic part of the URL is stored inside params, and we access it using slug. That's how we capture and use dynamic route values in Next.js.